So I'm back on the road. It wasn't planned this week, but I have to do it. I had some bad news about my rooftop tent. I have to take it down because it's been recalled. I need a replacement. In the next couple of days it's gonna come down and I'll get a new one up there. It's been a long drive today. It's very hot, very smoky on top of it, but there's a lot of construction on the highway. So it's been slow going and frustrating. Tomorrow I'll be back on the road. So I'm gonna relax a little bit and I'm gonna go for a walk. There's a nice creek, so actually let's go check it out now, because if I stay too long in here I'm not gonna get up anymore. I'm just taking a little walk in the forest, stretch my leg after that long drive. It feels good. I know it's still warm. It's over 30, I think it's 35 degrees even. I hear the river, it makes me want to jump in. It's smoky when I look up a little bit, but it's not too bad and I don't smell it, so this is good. Hopefully it's still like this all night. After 2 months being away, it feels good to be back in Salmon Arm. Just a quick stop along the way. It's very smoky, but still gorgeous. As you can see, I'm at the beautiful location at Pit Lake. It's a quick stop today. I had my rooftop tent taken down. It's very quiet out here, apart from the boats, enjoying the lake. But for a walk, it's quite nice. There's some rain coming, so I'm probably gonna get going before it gets here, and then I'm gonna hit the road again and head back east. Unfortunately, I would love to stay longer down here because there's fresh air, No smoke down here for now. Probably hear me better from here. I'm back on the trail on the way back to the car. So that was Wapta Falls in Yoho National Park. It's just east of Golden. It's worth it to stop along the way if you're heading toward Lake Louise and Banff. It's only about 2.5 kilometer hike, fairly easy hike to get there, and the view of that fall is just breathtaking any time of the year. So don't miss that stop, it's worth it. So I'm just gonna take this chance to remind everyone who's outdoors, it's very hot and dry. We haven't had any rain lately. So when you're out there, please be careful with fire. I was disappointed to see some campsites still making campfires at night, even though there's a ban. So that makes me angry because people are careless. We have enough fires in Western Canada that we don't need any more. Good evening everyone, it's 8:30 p.m. and I just set up camp after another long drive. No smoke tonight. I'm back to one of my favorite places for the night. It's been a busy few days taking down my old rooftop tent because it was recalled, and some of you asked me what happened. Apparently there's been an incident where the tent flew off the vehicle while they were driving, so of course it's a liability and they had to recall them all, which is a bummer because I really love that tent. I spent more than a year with it. It was really comfy. But the good news is that I found a replacement. It's different, it looks different, but it's very comfortable too. I'm happy I found one because it's the middle of the summer and most of the outfit, they're out of stock right now. So I've been very fortunate to find one. And the guys I bought it from, they were just amazing. They helped me out to set it up and install it. After a great night's sleep, I'm all packed up, ready to hit the road again, back east for just a few days and get everything ready for the next adventure. If all goes well, in a few days we'll be back on the road and joining a friend, though we have to keep an eye on all the fires because many roads are closed now, so we might have to change our destination, or we'll see what we do. But time to go, and I'll show you more about my new home on my next adventure.